Most people spend their lives running away from the truth. They wrap themselves in comfortable lies, hoping the world will be kinder than it actually is. But kindness is a luxury. Reality is a forge. Marcus Aurelius didn't lead an empire by wishing for better days. He led it by accepting the world as it was, brutal, indifferent, and fleeting. Today, we strip away the illusions. Here are 12 brutal truths that no one has the courage to tell you. 1. No one is coming to save you. The hero you're waiting for is in the mirror. Your parents, your friends, and your government have their own battles. If you don't save yourself, you will drown. 2. You are only judged by your results. The world doesn't care about your nunned intentions or your nunned potential. It cares about what you built, what you earned, and who you protected. Effort is a baseline. Results are the only currency that matters. 3. Most people only like you for what you provide. This sounds cold, but it is nature. If you stop providing value, emotional, financial, or social, the circle around you will shrink. Don't be bitter. Be valuable. Your friends want you to do well, but never better than them. Insecurity is a silent killer of loyalty. When you begin to outpace those around you, the congratulations will start to sound like warnings. 5. You will be forgotten. 100 years from now, your name will be a dead link in a family tree. This isn't depressing. It's liberating. If your legacy is destined to fade, stop living your life to please strangers. 6. Happiness is a trap. Chasing happiness is like chasing a ghost. It is a fleeting emotion, not a destination. Aim for purpose instead. Purpose sustains you when the world goes dark. Happiness disappears at the first sign of trouble. 7. You are responsible for everything in your life, even if it's not your fault. It wasn't your fault you were born poor or treated badly, but it is your responsibility to fix it. Blame is for the weak. Responsibility is for the powerful. 8. Your time is being stolen every second. Every minute you spend scrolling, complaining, or waiting for the right moment is a minute you've handed to the grave. You are dying right now. Act like it. 9. Talent is useless without discipline. The world is full of gifted failures. Discipline is the only bridge between a dream and a reality. If you can't control yourself, someone else will control you. 10. Most of your worries will never happen. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. You are wasting your life solving problems that don't exist yet. Focus on the ground beneath your feet. 11. Closure is a myth. The person who hurt you will likely never apologize. The job that fired you won't explain why. You don't need an explanation to move on. You just need the will to walk away. 12. You only have the respect you demand. If you allow people to walk over you, they will. If you don't value your time, they won't. The world treats you exactly the way you've taught it to. These truths aren't meant to break you. They are meant to wake you up. Stoicism isn't about ignoring the darkness. It's about standing in it and refusing to flinch. Now that the illusions are gone, what are you going to do with the truth? If you found value in this, subscribe to the Stoic Corner. Until next time, remember, your mind is your only kingdom. Rule it well.